Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you filter Google Search Console traffic data by country? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to filter your data in Search Console by country anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that a lot of your business probably comes from one particular country, so the other data from other countries probably isn't as relevant in your reports. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to filter your performance data by country, here on the left side, you're going to click on Performance. After that, you want to click on Search Results. Once you click there, you can go ahead and choose the data that's going to be displayed. First off, by the time frame, I'll click 3 months, and then you can go ahead and add in CTR, average position. So you can see over the 3-month period, this website has gotten 300 impressions. If you want to filter that by country, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. The quickest and easiest way is scroll down, and then you can click here on countries. And now, as a brief overview, you can see that US traffic is 263 impressions, and the next country would be the UK at 9. So that's one way that you can filter out by country. The second way you can do this is you can go ahead and scroll up here and then click on Add Filter. Once you do that, click on Country, and then now you can go ahead and choose the country. So when you choose a country, basically what's going to happen, it's going to filter out every other country except for the country that you choose. So for me, I'll choose the US and then apply. And now you can see it jumped from 301 down to 263. So all of this traffic and data it's showing is just from US views. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to filter your performance and traffic in Google Search Console by country, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.